Yes, guys. I just want to show you what's happening Loma Kundu right now. The construction of the road. I don't know if it's the expansion, but the way it is being done, it's very like they are doing it very fast. They are in a hurry. You can see that. So this is Loma Kundu. Yes, I call it Loma Kundi. If you want to call it Loma Kandi, okay, that's fine. Yes, for me, I call it Loma Kundi. Loma Kundi Drive. So this is what is actually happening right now. So all these guys who were on the side of the road, they're told to remove their car sales, all these things they were asked to remove and move from the road. I saw a certain video where one guy was complaining that they were not given any notice or something like that. And he was complaining, saying we were just told that you should get out of here within the next few hours. I don't know how and why it is like that, or it was like that, but this is what is happening. It's actually being, I don't know if I should say, I don't know if I should say it was rushed or it's being rushed, but you see, look at that. They're actually working on it right now. All these people, there were people there. There were people with their small businesses along the road. They were asked to move. So they asked to move so that they can open way for the new road that's being constructed. So this is Greencroft. This is Greencroft and this is Avonlea. So all these castles that are around this place, there were no castles, so they said they should move. You can also see here, this is what they are doing to the road. They're clearing the road. So I don't know if it's being expanded or what. I think these people are actually moving their stuff there. So these guys are actually working. Yesterday, I actually saw them when I was on my way home. I saw they were working. It was around 10 p.m. They were working 10 p.m. So there's work that's being done. You can see it. Being cut down. Okay, so as for me, I'm actually so excited to see this happening because Loma Gundi, like I said, I'll call it Loma Gundi. If you want to call it Loma Gandhi, that's you. Myself, I call it Loma Gundi because that's what I see. It's written Loma Gundi. Okay, so this one I actually love what is happening here because it was so narrow. You know, this road was like, I don't know why it has not been dual or triple. I don't know what you call it in the countries that you are in. You know, obviously I know you guys, you are in developed countries, and some of us, we are not in developed countries. Easy. So it's quite interesting. Yeah, so I'd like to believe that what these guys are doing is just something that is nice. It's good because the congestion that was in this road was not being caused by, people who are not good at driving or anything like that. It was just because there were too many cars for the road. I don't really know why it's being rushed. I think if you know, you can tell me in the comment section, because I've been hearing some people saying it's being rushed because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons. I don't know. But whatever the case might be, the road is being made, it's being repaired, something good is being done. So yes, you can give all the kinds of reasons that you want to give for the road being done, but it's good because it's not like it's going to be done like a wedding where you just buy one dress and then you wear it and then you don't wear it anymore. Like for one occasion. This one, if they make the road like what they are doing, it's going to be there, for the next, I don't know how many years, whether it's 1 year or 70 years or whatever, but still, it's a good thing. So I think if they do something like this, of course, some of these roads are not done they're not marked in a nice or in a very world standard way, but it's better because right now, as you can see, we are actually two. It's dual. So I'm excited. I'm excited to be seeing this development happening in my own country. It's a So this is where they, like, it starts from here. This one was done just in a day, I think. The road was not very nice. So these guys, they came and then they did this. So if the Loma Good road is going to be like this, obviously we are going to be grateful for that, because you can travel smoothly. You can see how smooth we are sailing here. You can see, well, this road had a lot of potholes, so they just had to just do the resurfacing, and then they marked it, and they marked it very, very nice and very, very well. So Avondale, we just passed Avondale. So this is it. I think that's what they are trying to do to Lomaganda Road. This is nice. There's a new shopping mall here. I don't know if you've seen it, but there's a new shopping mall here. These shopping malls, they are very nice. They are being made. I don't know what company or which company is doing this, but whatever the case might be, they are doing very, very nice. Because I've seen one in Highlands, I've seen another in somewhere in Madokero. Yeah, there are quite a number of them that are being constructed that are so nice, like this one. I hope you guys know this one. So you can see those are the guys who are doing this. So this one is one of the famous places in Harare. It's nice. You know, this one, there's the time where it will be, what's the word? Purple. With these jacaranda trees, when they are having, you know, those things, they fall on the ground and the road will be purple. And it will be a very, very nice view. It will be a very, very, very nice view. Oh yeah, so this is what is happening here. I don't know if I should use this way or I think I should go straight. I should go straight because okay, let's go this way. You know, it's quite interesting, eh? It's quite So this road is actually these guys, as you can see. These guys are working on the road. What is this? Those Kajim pick up what's it? What I mean. So right now I am with Mr. Sigo. As you can see, we are traveling. We are going somewhere.
But speed your head.
Yes, we are going to be meeting Mr. Manasi.
Mr. Muriel Zimbabwe.
Muriel Zimbabwe.
Manasi hapa talk about something
Quiet.
Go radio.
Muriel Zimbabwe anagonditrafana. Muriel Zimbabwe.
Tarisai Manase chibanda. Mwana wekwa chibanda auya. Ini ndo nange ukadongo ziduri mwana wekwa ndingika. Renga is strong rural background.
Mwana wekwa chitima.
Mwana wekwa chitima asvika. Wemubhuku.
Neuzonzi moyo.
Neuzonzi uzumba maramba pumwe.
Ezatisi wazumba. Vaira moyo.
Downtown.
Yeah, so downtown. Vanonzi vamati vachizha vacharge office kana vaenda vaigara kuchitungiza vanobva vaziva panapa nemakombi nezveuko we can actually see what is happening. So chakatochari mapoto makombi wayaya pakazi pauya polisi kana chii zvoita kuchange wambotona mapo. Right, so the flyover. Right now we are going to go with Mr. Manase.
Muriel Zimbabwe tarisai Manase. Mwana wekwa chibanda Manase. Kana muine zvamukuda kutengesa.
Inongoza vanozokunzi Manase. Charge office.
Inonetsa toda. Unoonekwa mukarumu uchitora obvanzi number plate.
Aiwa, charge office aibvumidzo toda.
Anotara.
Anokuti aibvumidzo.
Inova achibvumidzwa panokoziwawo.
Ndo vasingatori varashoni.
Anopfuura kubva kuti mafas.
Wanda. They comments what a
so unoya muchitagura nani kezvo
Ona kamera.
Muriel Zimbabwe tarisai Manase.
Amira saiti ya.
Mutane waiza sei?
Mota.
Eh.
Ndaona ka ndakuona era.
Wandiona?
Amira saiti.
Manasi.
Ndakuona ikamura.
Muri wese.
Nigga, man, start kamboona nerezi.
Sasa.
Shamari. It's my first time meeting this guy. So,
Otherwise akatira saiti.
nice.
Kulato.
Muri semgara.
Bana eri baba.
I see it. So kama ne udgo. Kamera kamera kanondishandira basa rekuti anende yazonza kuti